A dense, dark jungle. Ground where a powerful Indian cobra quietly slithers on the other side. In a swampy area, a giant Burmese python is coiled near the water. Suddenly, a special team appears.
Copy. Right flank advancing. Target zone in sight. Hold formation. Perimeter secure. Prepare to engage.
The snakes are carefully transferred into controlled metal containers without causing damage. Inside the containers, temperature and humidity appear on digital screens. A helicopter lifts off into the dark night. Destination: a secret biotech factory. A massive steel building. The doors open automatically inside, a laboratory glowing with blue lights. Each snake is placed in a separate biochamber. A computerized scanner creates a complete 3D scan of their bodies. On the screen, the structure of their bones becomes clearly visible. The software decides which snake skeleton is suitable for medical-grade processing. An automated robotic system activates. The machine's arm works with extreme precision. The snake is placed into a biosuspension chamber where a special solution dissolves the soft tissues of the body. After several hours, only a perfectly intact skeleton remains. The skeleton moves through a transparent tube into the next processing section. Each bone is scanned by laser light. Any crack or defect is immediately separated. Then they are placed into a zero-moisture drying chamber. Slowly, the bones turn a pale white color. The dried bones move into a large glass grinding cylinder. The machine slowly rotates. Within minutes, a fine, shining white powder is produced. This powder travels through an automatic tube to the chemical laboratory. Inside the laboratory, scientists set the formula on computer screens. The powder is combined with special herbal extracts and synthetic biocompounds. The machine begins mixing. Temperature controlled, humidity controlled, time automatically regulated. Then the mixture moves into a tablet press machine. Small white capsules are produced. A sample from every batch is separated. A digital microscope examines the structure.
Alignment looks good. Purity analysis started. Data is populating. Excellent. Let's monitor the results.
A chemical analyzer checks the purity. On the computer screen, a green signal appears. Batch approved. The capsules move forward on an automatic conveyor belt. They are sealed into blister packs. A hologram sticker is applied on top. Batch numbers and expiration dates are printed on the boxes. Cartons are closed. Plastic wrapping is applied. loaded into distribution trucks. Some shipments are sent to advanced research laboratories where scientists study the formula further and develop new treatments.
Good, let's verify the molecular structure. Microscope confirms the crystalline formation.
Other shipments are transported to pharmaceutical distribution centers.
Copy that, diverting to Section B. Next pallet ready. Keep the line moving.
From these centers, the medicine is delivered to different medical laboratories, clinics, and hospitals around the world. Cargo planes transport them to distant countries. Finally, the medicine arrives at hospital pharmacies and medical laboratories, where doctors and researchers carefully store it and prepare it for medical use. After the skeleton extraction process is complete, the remaining snake skin is carefully collected and transferred to another large section of the factory where workers begin the recycling process. The skins are placed on long, stainless steel tables where trained workers wearing protective gloves inspect each piece carefully. Any damaged or rough pieces are trimmed with sharp cutting tools so that only usable material continues to the next stage. After inspection, the skins move on to a wide conveyor belt that leads to the deep cleaning chamber. Inside this chamber, workers place the skins into rotating washing drums filled with warm cleansing liquid. The drums slowly spin while powerful water jets wash away any remaining impurities. Once the washing process is finished, the skins are removed and hung on large metal frames to dry. When the skins are fully clean and dry, workers transfer them into a flex treatment machine. Heated rollers slowly pass over the skins, stretching and softening them so the material becomes flexible and easier to process. Next, the softened skins are moved into a high-temperature thermal chamber. Workers carefully place the material inside large, heated containers. Controlled heat gradually breaks down the fibers of the skin, while technicians add special polymer compounds and strengthening materials into the mixture. Large industrial mixers begin turning slowly. The melted material blends with the polymers, while factory technicians monitor the temperature and thickness on control panels.
Feed rate is optimal. Confirmed. All systems are stable.
As the mixture continues to process, its surface begins forming a distinct snake-scale texture. Workers carefully check the elasticity and strength of the material. When the mixture reaches the correct consistency, it is poured onto a wide cooling belt where it slowly spreads and solidifies into large, flexible sheets. These sheets now carry a clear snake-scale pattern, ready for the next stage of production. The textured sheets are then carried by workers to the hydraulic molding section of the factory. Workers place the flexible sheets into the molds and carefully align them. After a few moments, the machine opens and newly formed snake texture covers slide out onto the conveyor belt. Workers collect the covers and move them to the precision cutting station. Here, technicians use laser cutting machines to create perfect openings for the camera, charging port, speaker holes, and side panels. Once cutting is complete, the covers are placed on racks and moved into the surface finishing room. Workers apply a fine matte protective spray by hand using professional spray tools. After drying, the covers pass through a bright inspection table where trained quality inspectors examine every piece under strong lights. Any cover with a small defect or uneven pattern is removed immediately, while the perfect ones move forward to the packaging area. Each mobile cover is gently placed inside a premium velvet presentation box. Workers place a polished metallic brand logo plate on the lid of every box before closing it carefully. Next, the box passes through a sealing station where workers wrap it with a thin protective plastic film. A label with a QR code and serial number is attached, so each product can be tracked during shipment. After labeling,
Labels are secure,
the packaged
padding
boxes
next.
are arranged neatly
Stacking
into
them
large
tightly
shipping
now.
cartons.
This carton's ready for shipping. Next batch coming through.
Warehouse workers stack the cartons on pallets and move them toward the loading dock.
Forklift moving in. Loading the pallet now. Good. Let's get it secured. Pallet secured on the shelf.
Soon, large cargo trucks arrive beside the factory gates. The cartons are carefully loaded into the trucks, ready to be transported to electronics stores and distribution centers in different cities and countries.
Excellent. Next pallet. Let's go.
Revealing the massive facility where every step of the process transforms raw materials into finished products. From medicine production to premium snake texture